Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. I want to know. Leave it down in the comments. How you doing? So, I got my second Boxycharm Premium in, and it took a minute, but what they did a little bit differently this month than in the past was, I think for some of us, we got our add-ins shipped with one of our boxes. Now, you may or may not be one of those people that had the same thing happen with you. I don't have a problem with it. I did get an email though, so if you're still waiting for your March add-ons, that might be the delay. Now, if you remember correctly, or if you've seen my other Boxycharm Premium unboxing, you will know that I was not exactly over the moon with that box, which is okay. Either way, the Boxy Premium and the base box, all of these boxes are really good value. So I'm okay every now and then getting a box that I'm not thrilled about. But I am going to be honest with you guys. That's what I'm going to do. The Boxy Premium is $35 a month. And as I mentioned, I do get 2 of them. We are able to choose a couple of our items each month, and choices coming up. So keep an eye out on my community tab. I will send y'all a reminder. So yes, I like being able to choose different options, but it also gives me different variations with my boxes. So I do enjoy doing that, being able to offer you kind of one-stop place here on my channel where I can unbox 2 completely different variations of this box. I do that with my Ipsy too. Now, I did peek inside my box and just to get an idea of what I was getting, and also to pull out a couple of things so that I can try them on, try them out, and of course let y'all know my thoughts and what I think of some of the products. So if an actual try on is something you want me to start doing on camera, let me know down in the comments. And but I don't do a full try on like that, just because I try not to make my videos too long. Okay, so let's dive into this box and see what we got this month in my other premium box. Now, the theme is sweet treats. Here is that cute card. And on the back of the card, of course, we do get a list of all the products I'm getting in my box. And I did not get a shipping notification again, so I don't know the weight of my box, but I do know that I got variation 211, which is different than the other variation I got. So it's a completely different box. And when you open her up, of course, it says Boxy Premium. The first thing I'm pulling out is the lip gloss set, and I'm pretty sure everybody got one of these. I kind of joked about it a little bit in my other video because, as you can see, it's from, well, it says Nails Inc. right there. And it's not for your nails. This is an actual lip gloss. In addition to that, the other thing that they mentioned on the description of this lip gloss is it's by Incredible Cosmetics, and it's the Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. It retails for $24 for the set of 2 of them. And I haven't tried them, but I have heard that a lot of people do like them, and they're pretty good. And then I got another eyeliner, and I got 2 eyeliners in my other box. It's from Dose of Colors, and this eyeliner color is Dark Roast. If you can, is that going to focus, or is it too little? I don't know. So it's a dark brown. The eyeliner retails for $15. Now, the packaging is gorgeous. Look at, isn't that so pretty? But I did use the eyeliner I got in my other box, and it's supposed to go on smooth without tugging or dragging, and I kind of felt like it tugged a little bit on my eyes. And it was, I tried to smudge it and stuff, and it just, I don't know, it didn't work that well for me. So I wasn't like the biggest fan. But either way, like I said, it retails for $15. And then I got a toner from Murad. Now, I've gotten this before, and I've also bought more of it in add-ons, and I absolutely love this toner. It smells really, really pretty, and it works really good. So the Murad toner retails for $35. Of course, I did not pay that in add-ons, but it was a lot cheaper than, I think it was like maybe $9 or something, which I thought was a great deal. And it's a hydrating toner, and it is alcohol-free, which is huge. When you're looking for a toner, make sure there's no alcohol in them. In addition to being alcohol-free, it's also, it's supposed to instantly balance skin's natural pH while lifting impurities. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile, yeah, and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. Like I said, I have gotten this before, and I absolutely love it. Super excited to get another one. Next is from Fenty Beauty. This is the primer, and I think I got this in my other box. And I have tried it before, and I do actually really, really like this primer. The Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer retails for $32. And it's a universal makeup primer for all skin types. It's shine stopping, pore diffusing, and it's supposed to smooth the way for better foundation application. And then I also got from Wander Beauty, and this is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. And this one retails for $68. Yeah, my baby is not cheap. It's formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle. And it helps diminish the appearance of fine lines, which is super good. It's also got squalene and peptides to hydrate skin and improve elasticity. And lastly, it's got dragon's blood that helps soothe skin. So, I'm excited to try this. I've gotten a few products from Wander Beauty before, and they're kind of hit or miss with me. Some of them I really liked. Other ones, kind of not so much, but that's okay. Okay, now, last but not least, I got, so I believe my choices, the things I chose in this box were the Wander Beauty, and the Natasha Denona Coral Palette. This was my other choice, and I was super excited to get this. I did play with this today, and I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. It is so pretty and pigmented, and it blended great. You can see the little chunks. Yeah, it blended really, really good. I really, really like it. And those are the colors. And this one here is more of a topper. And it was a little harder to work with, but if you use your finger when applying it, it works fine. All the other colors were wonderful. So I am thrilled to get this. It retails for $48. So that more than pays for my box right there. So that was worth every penny this month to me. So that was box number 2 for the Boxycharm Premium, April 2021. This box I love, and I'm excited to try the things that I haven't tried yet. I love the eyeshadow palette, love the colors, everything. It performed awesome. And what is the total value of this box? It is $222. So this box knocked it out of the park for me. I am obsessed with it. So happy. The other box, this made up for it. Definitely. Definitely. So do you get Boxycharm Premium? What items did you pick? Put it down in the comments. Let me know. So thank you, as always, for hanging out with me for another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so much. And if you like all things beauty, skincare, mature beauty, giveaways, unboxings, and spoilers, smash the subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much. And it makes me able to continue bringing you guys content like this. Thank you again. Love you bunches. I will talk to y'all soon and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.